Just like in the movies. Global warming is a gigantic problem that is facing our entire nation. There are many downsides of ignoring global warming. The consequences will greatly affect us. However, there are still many of us every day people can do to stop the effects of global warming. It is no longer about what the causes are of global warming, but we need to take action right now. According to skeptical science, global warming causes rapid decline of Arctic ice, which would endanger many species like polar bears. The New Republic also states that US President Donald Trump calls climate change a hoax, which is really bad for something being able to be done about global warming in the US, which is why we should get involved. The NRDC says that speaking up about global warming is the most important thing for global warming. Being silent is one of the most dangerous weapons. Global warming is a very important issue. Look at the polar bear picture I have displayed on the computer. Isn't it sad? It is very sad for me. We need to do something. In order to gain more connection, I am going to present a scenario. Pollution from larger factories causes global warming. Global warming causes rain seasons to be delayed in areas like California. And what does that lead to? Delay of rain causes fire in areas like California. Fire causes people to lose their homes and become homeless. Lost homes leads to sad Americans. Sad Americans leads to sad America. And if America is setting a bad example, then they also set an example for the world. And the world begins to not care. As a result, all the people on Earth will be sad, which then leads to, you guessed it, sad Earth, meaning that global warming leads to sadness. Now, this is an absurd scenario, but if we do not do something now, we will be drowning from the Arctic ice being melting at rapid rates. Global warming is bad because it causes much distress to animal life and is an issue we cannot ignore. Currently, our US President Donald Trump is calling global warming a hoax, which is not true. Global warming is not a hoax and we need to do something about it. And we also need to spread the word about global warming because the more we ignore the issue, the more the problem is going to become. And we cannot let this become a problem for the future of our generations. It is very pivotal that we do something soon before we all die in a very sad way. Thank you. Goodbye.